All right, this is a simple and fast review of the Canon Pixma 240 XXL. I believe it's called the PG 240. The reason that you want this is if you do a lot of printing with black ink, bottom line, it's less refills, less cartridges, less work doing this over and over and over again. So I've bought this probably, I think it's like 10 times, actually it's 11 times now on Amazon. And I just love it. It's real simple, works with any, and I'll show how to put it in, but it's real simple, works with any of the specified Canon printers. Again, it's a black ink cartridge, and the whole value here is that it just comes with that much more ink and you don't have to change it as often. So let's go ahead and unbox it here and show you how it fits in. So real simple. It's going to come in a simple case like this. You're just going to tear this thing off. And the key component, which I've learned over time, and we're just going to throw that out real quick, is when you get this thing off, you've got to make sure it's better now on the 11th time, but originally they didn't have this as obvious. And I won't lie, I put it in with the tape on and wondered why the heck it didn't print. So again, let me go ahead and show you how this fits into your printer. All right, so once we get this get set up here, what we're going to do is just, again, open this up. Mine's Canon. It should do something like this where you'll see this thing rolling, just doing a little bit of cleaning, and it should be in a position right there where I can then remove the cartridge. So on here, it'll tell me that the color's on the left, the black's on the right. So I'm just going to press this down, and that pops right out once it's down. And you'll see, as you can tell, it's another 240 XXL. So we're just going to get rid of that. I always try and put them back into the box the same way. So again, I'm just going to tear that tape off. Again, see how it's set up. We're just going to push this in, and then once it's in, we're going to lift that back up. And so that's pretty much it. I always, again, just to be safe, try and put the tape back on the old one so it doesn't, in case there isn't any more ink, put it in the box, and then I'm going to chuck it in my trash. So hopefully that gives you a good understanding. Once you are done that, you're going to close this up, and you're going to just bring these pieces back up. Oops. And then just make sure you've got paper and everything like that ready to go, and you should be all set from there. So you may need to run through a simple cleaning, and then of course you always have the issue of probably having to wash your hands afterwards. So hopefully this review helps, and thanks for watching.